Like I said, though, that was behind the white baggie, so I don't think in that. No, it would be a dastard if he didn't know if we had anything to put stuff in tonight. Why are we recording the cat who's over here? He's about ready to pass out on there.
Because I am.
And he's like, man, leave me the fuck alone. I can sleep on you if I want to. This thing's now fixed after your brother knocked it, fucking broke the thing off.
Yeah, after Henry sat on it, thinking it was a chair.
Yeah. And we had to nail the thing back onto it,
Yeah.
We have to ghettoify it, basically. I know he's always the star of the show, ain't he? I know little girl.
I make my rounds. It just depends on how far I get.